Also do the thumbnail for I eat all my food. I didn't bring a drink. Hopefully I don't choke. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's so weird here? If you're new here, I'm Olivia. Today, I'm gonna clean my makeup brushes. While I'm cleaning my makeup brushes, I'm gonna be eating. And while I'm eating, we're gonna talk. So I guess we should call this like a productive mukbang chit chat. Short. I'm eating jalapeno poppers from Parkway House. I've never had them. Pretty good. Cleaning my makeup brushes with some rubbing alcohol, and I'm just dipping them in a cup and rubbing them on a towel. If you want to hang out, get your snack, you know, whatever. I've already jumped into this. I don't know about y'all. So I ain't even gonna say let's jump into it, because I'm already here. That works pretty well. So, how's it going? What is new with you guys? Tell me down below. I've noticed on my analytics for YouTube that my most viewed videos aren't makeup, aren't mukbangs. They're not me talking about my wedding. And I feel like people get so tired of me talking about my wedding because I feel like that's all I ever talk about, because that's all I ever stress about. But apparently people like it. So let's talk about it. The latest thing we've been trying to do is plan a honeymoon. I don't know if I've ever told the story about all we've been going through for this freaking honeymoon, but it's like, we try to come up with something. We think we have it down. We run it by his mom because we're following, that's about the only tradition we're following with this wedding, is his parents are paying for the honeymoon. We're running all these ideas by her because of the virus that shall not be named, but we all know the word. It's the word of 2020. She was very, Alexa, define apprehensive.
The adjective apprehensive is usually defined as uneasy or fearful about something that might happen.
She's been very apprehensive, which is understandable because I mean I feel like majority of the people in the world would be. And then we're also running into, you know, hurricane season. Our wedding is in mid-October. Hurricane season in mid-October. So that's been a struggle. Also going back to the virus, we're having to think, you know, cases are going to be on the rise, and especially when our flu season comes around. So we're having to plan with the expectation of possibly being canceled. With all that being said, we gave up. Because it seemed like every single avenue we were trying to do, something was happening. It was either the virus, hurricanes, or if we went to the mountains, it was going to be snowing probably. And we'd get stuck. So she didn't want us leaving the country because there's people who can't get back in the country once they leave because of the virus. And then she came around and it was like, yeah, okay, let's do it. But Logan said that, you know, if it gets canceled, we would never hear the end of it because she tried to tell us. So we gave up on the situation. We're just like, whatever, we ain't even gonna look for it, just whatever. Well, now the wedding is 93 days away, the day that I'm filming this. And we still don't have a honeymoon planned. So I'm right back at trying to find places. My original dream, and Logan was on board too, he's actually one that suggested it, was Punta Cana in the Dominican Republic. Because of the whole airplane thing and possibly getting locked out of the country if the borders have to be locked back down and all of that, that got kind of pushed to the curb. So my compromise was I'm still going to find a very pretty beach somewhere. Whether it be Hawaii, whether it be St. Thomas, whether it be some Virgin Island or Florida. So currently my sights are set on Florida. Logan brought up this morning, you know, hey, Florida has like the worst rising cases ever. It's like right there with California and New York. I was like, oh yeah, I didn't think about that. I'm finding Airbnbs where it's like you have free cancellation until like October 3rd, October 4th, somewhere in there. Then afterwards you can either get a 50% refund or you can get a full refund, but you can't get the service fee back. Which at least with that, you know, if we had to cancel, at least she's getting her money back. You know what I'm saying? We have a place picked out that we're looking at. Before I started filming, well, honestly, I filmed 3 videos today, but before I started filming, well, technically I filmed 5, but 2 of them have been deleted. But anyway, I messaged the dude who is over that location, I guess is what we'll call it. And he messaged me back, but I haven't looked at it yet. Kind of antsy to see what he says. Logan wanted me to message him and just be like, you know, with all the cases on the rise, what do you think? Like, what are your plans? Are you going to make us cancel? Are you going to reschedule if we have to cancel? And I mean, it's a very hard question because nobody has a crystal ball. Nobody can, like, foresee that far into the future. Really hard to ask these types of questions, knowing that it's going to be really hard trying to get an answer. I kind of have a feeling that his answer ain't going to be ain't going to be what we're wanting. We wanted to message the guy and kind of get all our ducks in a row, get all the possible questions and Debbie Downer points that could be brought up before we bring anything up to his mom about the place, which he's already started coming up with some because of, oh, the virus, it's back on the rise. Telling you, we should have just eloped. If I wouldn't have bought a dress so early on, we could have been married. Already could have gone to the freaking Dominican Republic and just been happy. But now I'm stressed out. I can't multitask. Like, I'm so focused on these brushes right now. Like, I literally have one brush left to wash. I ain't mad about that. It's pretty good. I need to get more brushes for sure. I thought about getting the Morphe James Charles brush set. It's like $146 though. And that's on sale. So that sucks. So I would love to have some like brush options. Especially since like I'm back to doing tutorials and stuff. It'd be really nice if I could be like, oh, this is the M433 brush or whatever. Instead of being like, I don't know what kind of brush this is, we're just gonna use this one. These poppers are really good. Well, I'm done washing my brushes. Didn't have that many to wash. And I'm done with my poppers. So I guess we're done here. That's all I have for y'all today. Riveting content. Hope you guys enjoyed this, I guess, update video slash mukbang slash cleaning my brushes video. I don't know. It's the most random video I've ever done. If you have not already, please subscribe to my channel down below. Post new videos every Wednesday at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Except today, I haven't edited or uploaded one. I've deleted like 5 videos, I feel. Let me know what kind of videos you would like to see down below because I like having new ideas. I just like talking to people. I don't like talking to people in like real life, but on the computer, on my phone, love that. Alright, I'm going to go because I am just rambling like an idiot. So I will see you guys in another video. Bye. What was that? I'm tired. Goodbye.